For an ideal gas, the work of reversible expansion under isothermal condition can be calculated by using the expression W is equals to minus nRT ln volume final by volume initial. A sample containing 1 mole of an ideal gas. A sample containing 1 mole of an ideal gas is expanded isothermally and reversibly to 10 times of its original volume. Okay. In two separate experiments, the expansion is carried out at 300 Kelvin and at 600 Kelvin. Choose the correct option. So guys, over here we have been provided with the formula and that's very good of these people over here. Yeah. So एक sample है, number of moles 1 mole है and it is expanded isothermally and reversibly. जिसका formula हमें given है for the work done to 10 times of its original volume. Isn't it? That means V final is equals to 10 times of V initial they are saying to us, isn't it? So guys, what we are supposed to do over here, Rakhi ma'am, formula क्या given है? W is equals to minus nRT ln V final by V initial. So if we just calculate out work done at 600 Kelvin to work done at 300 Kelvin, that is equals to minus 1 into R into T is 600 ln V final कितना है 10 times of V initial. Okay, by minus 1 into R into 300 ln 10 times of V initial by V initial. So ये cancel out हो गया है. हाँ जी राखी मैम. Minus से minus भी cancel out, R से R भी cancel out. So what are we then left with over here? So it's 600 ln 10 by 300 ln 10. ये आप खुद ब खुद देखो. If I just talk about ln 10, the value of ln 10 क्या होगी? ln 10 की value क्या होने वाली है? If I just talk about ln 10, guys, just let me know. Comment in the comment section basically. ln 10 की value होगी near about 2.30. या ln 10 की value क्या है? ln 10 की value है 2.30. Okay, so obviously this cancels out with this. So we are just left with 600 by 300, that is basically equals to 2. So we can say work done at 600 Kelvin is twice the work done at 300 Kelvin. So if I just talk about, so work done at 600 Kelvin is twice the work done at 300 Kelvin is the right answer. Delta U equals to 0 in both the cases. Yes, because it is an isothermal process. Delta T equals to 0 and internal energy जो है, internal energy के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, yes guys, if I just talk about internal energy of an ideal gas is a function of temperature. Isn't it? So for an ideal gas, internal energy is only dependent on temperature and the number of gas particles. So delta T 0, delta U 0 हो जाएगा. That's the thing. So third and fourth are the right answer to the question mentioned over here.